Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today we're going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Nova Hilt. Let's get into it.
So this is relatively easy to take apart. We're going to start by taking the handle of the hilt off. So just go ahead and unscrew it and set it to the side. We're then going to go to the back of the hilt and unscrew both of the screws located directly behind the button. Now that we have both of the screws removed, we're going to go ahead and push in on the button. Make sure it's pushed in all the way or it will prevent the top of the hilt from sliding off properly. To put the Nova hilt back together, we're going to slide the top of the hilt on, line up the power button and charge port. We're then going to move to the back of the hilt and put both of the screws back in. When tightening up this top screw right here, make sure to use a little bit of caution. You don't want to over tighten it as it could damage the power button and charge port. So just tighten it up until they're both sitting securely in the hilt. Now that we got both of those tightened, the only thing left to do is screw your handle back on.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.